Hello, touch the lid. Samulula. Happy Tuesday, right? Today. Today is 26th January. My daughter turned to 8 years old today. Happy birthday, my darling.
Thank you.
And Momola is here. Her grandma is putting her scarf. There we go. Yeah. Momola gi khata. Kinala. Temde.
I think I have to take the hat
Huh?
off.
Temde chigo ta Momola gi. Lo ye. Oh yeah. Momola gi kirala tashi ba shows. Ani lobjo ya go che. And mizana sangju chama. Ta dembe gi ni kansaji che gu gore. Plus daughter Kalsang Chodon. She turned 8 years old. January 26th, and also it's Republic Day for India, the great nation. Vande Mataram. Okay, baby. So the cake is ready here, right? Let me show you the cake here. Whoa, looks good. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay, so I have to blow the candles out, right?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna make a wish.
yeah. Hold on, yeah. Hold on, okay. Hold on, yeah. I'm a lawad up. I'm a lawad up.
Okay, wait.
Yeah. Woo! Happy birthday! 8 years old. My daughter is 8 years old.
I guess we gotta give the cakes to them.
Yeah. We'll have to give it to our neighbors. This year we wanted to make it very low profile birthday celebration due to COVID.
Because our apartment
And normally we would gather a lot of kids in the apartment. They would come and celebrate together. But this year, because of COVID, we are advised to celebrate low profile, low key. All right? And we will deliver the cake to our neighbors. We have a neighbors on the side, Kalsang's friend, Israel, what's the name? Emanuela, and
David,
no, the smallest,
Lady,
the youngest kid.
what's his name again? Elijah.
Elijah, yeah. Israel, Emmanuel, Elijah, and their parents. And next to our
Yeah, David.
neighbor,
and
we have a
Adrian.
David, very young couple,
Yes,
David and Adriana.
Adrian.
And they're very, very friendly with my daughter. Okay?
They're the first adults I've ever met. That's my friend.
Huh?
They're the first adult. That's my friend.
Yeah, so the cake looks very good. It's a chocolate cake.
Do I take out the candle?
Yeah, just take out candle now.
Okay.
Keep it on the side.
I don't want wax getting on it. It kind of got smudged the way here.
Mm. Okay, so these are the cakes we cut it
To give to our
to give it
neighbors,
to our
friends.
neighbors, friends. Okay.
Neighbor friends, I don't know.
Huh?
I have neighbor friends.
Yeah. So let me show you the cake.
So we got 2 for 2 young couples,
Yeah.
2 for my friends' parents,
Mhm.
3 for my friends' brothers and my friend. So this is for my friend.
Mhm.
That's for his sister, and that's
Sister.
for his little brother.
Little brother. Okay. And we already did the chupa to Kyapsuche. There we go. Right?
Did we give one to Momla?
No, not yet. Good. Yeah, give it to one to Mumla.
Okay.
Mumla did it. Yeah. Happy birthday from Kalsang to Mumla. Sada sa camera. Cake
Can I take the strawberry?
Okay. Okay, we can go to give cake, wear mask. So we'll go to neighbor. Okay, here's the neighbor, Kalsang neighbor, our neighbor David and Adriana.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she look like real, right?
She looks hella real.
Yeah,
Ask her why the face is red.
yeah.
Yeah, why is his face red?
Because
I didn't-
because the person that made it tried to make it look like he was first.
Is it like
she was
newly
just
born baby or like color red on the cheek?
She was just born.
They look like that. Yeah.
Wait, I need a certificate.
Huh?
You're giving me the certificate to your baby?
Oh, she has a name. She was born today.
She's born today.
Yeah, show David the
The,
her
the
profile.
sleeping lady.
Kesa? Are you sure is right? Did we throw the profile here? What's her name?
Melanie Johnson.
Melanie Johnson. It's
Weight 1.5. Feet 1 feet.
1 feet height.
And you are so Cal. You are this is Melanie. Melanie's your daughter. Miss
Yeah.
Melanie. Okay.
Oh,
Well,
that's-
I'm honored to.
Today.
Oh my god.
Yeah. She turned 8 years old.
Oh my god.
Yeah, January 26th. Bring more cake. Yeah, we have more. Mm. Yeah.
I almost forgot today was her birthday.
Yeah, she's 8 years. Today's her birthday.
Oh my god. Yeah, she looked.
This is one for.
Oh,
Yeah, one for Israel, one for Elijah.
thank you.
Okay. Just want to wish her birthday. This year we are doing the low profile. We don't want to gather
Oh, okay.
because of the COVID.
Okay, let's sing.
So yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
There's a question first.
Come here. Happy birthday